Namaskar, I'm Shriyanka and you're watching Mobile News 24/7. Let's have a look on the top headlines of the day. After petrol and diesel prices, commercial LPG price is burning hole in pockets. On one hand, when cost of petrol and diesel has been recorded at Rs 110.69 and Rs 107.39 per litre respectively, meanwhile, prices of commercial liquefied petroleum gas cylinders across all states has been hiked by Rs 266 per cylinder. The Biju Mahila Janata Dal of the ruling BJD today staged protest demonstrations in all the 147 assembly constituencies in Odisha. Acted over an unprecedented rise in prices, hikes of petrol, diesel, LPG and essential commodities, the Biju Yuva Janata Dal and the Biju Chhatra Janata Dal have also decided to stage protest demonstrations before all petrol pumps in the state from November 5 to November 7. The Odisha High Court on Monday gave a nod to burst green crackers during the Diwali celebration. The green crackers need to be approved by the Petroleum and Explosives Safety Organization. The court has allowed only bursting of green crackers from 8 pm to 10 pm. Meanwhile, lighting of Kauriya Kati in front of Singhadwara of Puri Jagannath Temple has been prohibited with imposition of Section 144 around Sri Mandir. In a bid to encourage people towards full COVID-19 vaccination, Har Ghar Dasta campaign is all set to commence in Odisha from November 2, State Nodal Immunization Officer Dr. Bijay Panigrahi informed. Frontline workers in coordination with members of self-help groups, Panchayati Raj institutions or NGOs will ascertain if beneficiaries have been allocated with needful doses. India recorded 12,541 COVID-19 infections in the past 24 hours, taking the total tally to 3,42,85,814 and the active cases 1,58,817, lowest in 248 days, and 251 fatalities were also reported. Death toll to 4,58,437. Odisha in the last 24 hours reported 3 deaths and 316 fresh COVID-19 infections. As per IIT Bhubaneswar official website sources, maintaining of social distancing and wearing masks will be mandatory for all from 1st of November. Anyone caught without wearing masks will have to pay a penalty of Rs 500 for the first violation, and the penalty will double in case of subsequent violations. A woman-daughter duo have been allegedly attacked with a knife in broad daylight on Monday afternoon in Shaileshri Bihar area of capital city Bhubaneswar. Reportedly, the accused youth resides in the neighborhood and was disguised as a woman while entering the house of the victims. Samajwadi Party Supremo Akhilesh Yadav on Monday said he will not contest the coming Uttar Pradesh Assembly elections himself, even as he announced that an alliance between his party and the Rashtriya Lok Dal is now final. The former chief minister is a Samajwadi Party MP from Azamgarh and has never contested a state election. Bargarh district unit observed an 8-hour bandh in the region to mount further pressure on the government to oust powerful persons in the wake of their alleged complicity in Mamita murder case. Protesting party workers also slammed the state government and the police for delaying in taking noticeable action against the culprits involved. The vigilance loots unearthed disproportionate assets worth Rs 6,97,15,057 in possession of dismissed Constable Prasanna Behera. 5 teams of Odisha Vigilance led by 2 DSPs, 6 inspectors and other staff conducted raids at 5 places associated with Constable. 3 hardcore women ultras carrying rewards of Rs 5 lakh each have been killed during an encounter within a forest between Adwal and Kunjiras in Kate Kalyan police station limits. A 12-bore gun, a musket, 2 crude firearms, 2 improvised explosive devices, wire, medicine, Maoist literature and items of daily use were seized at the scene. Celebrated Indian designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee's latest ad campaign on Mangalsutra came under the radar of the netizens after it featured women in semi-nude apparel flaunting the brand's Mangalsutra collection. The matter turned serious after Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra threatened the designer of an arrest. To stay updated, keep watching Mobile News 24/7.